moonlight's waves, crashing into different days. You make me feel some kind of way apart underwater, floating up and diving under stormy weather, buried treasure, holding out our arms like we have wings, making noises like we're planes. And every time I see you, I'm a dreamer. You take me to another place. It's like I got a fever, 103 degrees up. You're making me hallucinate. I'm caught up in your web. Oh, I'm a dreamer. Travel time, you never would believe it, but there's no way that we're sleeping.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's me, Euro here, and today I finally did the Coilpacks, spark plugs, and air filter, and it makes an absolute big difference with this car, efficiency wise, as well as how smooth it runs now. Now I'm at 101,200 miles. I'd say about 500 miles with the new Coilpacks, spark plugs, and air filter. I did clean this car a little bit, so as you can see, it is a lot cleaner than the usual. I also recently did an oil change. I did an oil change like literally yesterday, so we got that checked out. Anyway, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Now the reason why I'm not doing a how-to video on this is mainly because I'm not even sure if I'm even doing everything right with the spark plugs and all that, but so far, I mean, I've driven lots of miles already on it. One thing I did notice, definitely for sure, with the new everything is the MPG. So on average, I usually average around 20 miles per gallon, 20 to 22 combined. Now I'm getting about 24, which is an absolute beast for this old V6. Also, when I'm driving the highway with regular speeds, about like 60 to 70, I'm getting about 25 to 30 miles per gallon, which is actually pretty insane for this big fat V6 over here. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit wet near the oil filter. That's mainly because I did an oil change literally yesterday. This car is in tip-top shape right now, so I actually do have plans of modding this. The next video is going to be strut bar, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love that because it's a very simple, inexpensive way to increase the handling capabilities of this W204 chassis. Now, I did make sure the undercarriage is perfect with this car, and so far mechanics are complimenting me because of how clean it is, as well as, I mean, you know, I'm doing the usual maintenance on time. So far the brakes are in decent shape, probably 2 more oil services, and they're pretty easy to replace. The tires are in phenomenal shape as well. Now, one thing I need to keep in mind now is the suspension, control arms, and all that. Since I do drive a lot, those are going to be the first things that are going to be going bad, as my mechanic says. This is a pretty quick update, honestly, guys. I really don't have any issues with this car so far. In fact, I'm loving it, and I have an upcoming 1,000 mile trip that I cannot wait to upload. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned.